Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Zailla Nurul Jannah. I am a geography education student at Siliwangi University and I am from class C. This time, I want to share my opinion about floods in our country. First, I will explain the definition of flood. A flood is a natural disaster event that occurs when an excessive flow of water submerges land. Floods are the most common and widespread natural severe weather event. So, what causes floods? 1. Heavy rain is the simplest cause of flooding. When there is too much rain or it happens too fast, there is nowhere for the water to go. 2. Overflowing rivers are another cause of flooding. River flooding can occur when the debris in the river or dam blocks the flow of water. 3. Speaking of dam, a broken dam is another cause of flooding. When a dam breaks, water will rush into people's houses around the dam. 4. Storms and tsunamis can also cause of flooding. 5. Waterways with steep banks are also a cause of flooding. 6. Lack of vegetation can also cause flooding. So that's why you need to have a vegetation around your house. 7. Melting snow and ice is a common cause of flooding. This is how floods are universally recognized. What about flood in our country? In my opinion, in Indonesia, flooding is one of the most common natural disasters, with around 400 floods occurring in Indonesia every year. In fact, Indonesia ranked third in the world as the country most prone and most frequently hit by floods, after India and China. Some cities that are often hit by floods include Jakarta, Bandung, Surabaya, Solo, and Medan. History records that floods in Indonesia have caused severe damage and claimed dozens of lives. It is the flash flood that occurred in Sintang, West Kalimantan in mid-November 2021. It is said to be the biggest flood that has occurred in the last 40 years. So, what causes flooding in Indonesia? 1. Extreme weather. High rainfall intensity over a long period of time is often the cause of flooding in Indonesia. 2. Topography. The topography in Indonesia is dominated by large rivers and lowlands that are easily flooded. 3. Loss of water catchment. It reduces the absorption of rainwater into the soil and keeps water trapped on the surface. 4. Deforestation. Illegal logging will make the forest deforested. So, when the rain comes, the water cannot be absorbed by the roots of the plants. There are some of the main factors that causes floods that often occur in Indonesia. Floods that occur will certainly have a bad impact on humans, such as loss of life, damage to infrastructure, and damage to nature. Several efforts can be made to minimize the risk of flooding. These include maintaining and expanding tree cover in watershed areas, so that the function of forests as effective water storage can be restored. In addition, conclusion, it is important to raise our awareness of the danger of flooding and the importance of preventive measures. So that's all I can say. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for listening to me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.